Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub, where health meets nature. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of soursop, also known as graviola. This tropical fruit is not just delicious, but its leaves are packed with amazing health benefits. Stay tuned as we explore the top 10 health benefits and natural remedies of soursop leaves. Soursop leaves come from the graviola tree, a plant native to the tropical regions of the Americas. These leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to their potent medicinal properties. Benefit 1. First up, boosting immunity. Soursop leaves are rich in antioxidants that help in strengthening your immune system, making it easier to ward off infections. Benefit 2. Next, the big one, anti-cancer properties. Various studies suggest that compounds in soursop leaves can target and kill cancer cells, especially in breast and liver cancers. Benefit 3. Feeling achy. Soursop leaves can also act as a pain reliever. Traditional practices have used them to soothe pain naturally. Benefit 4. For those with digestive issues, soursop leaves might help. They're known to be anti-inflammatory and can help calm your digestive system. Benefit 5. Heart health is vital, and soursop leaves support it by reducing bad cholesterol levels and high blood pressure. Benefit 6. Looking for glowing skin? The vitamin C and antioxidants in soursop leaves can improve skin health, reducing oxidative stress and promoting a clear complexion. Benefit 7. Struggling with sleep? Try soursop leaf tea. It has calming properties that can help you relax and get a good night's sleep. Benefit 8. Soursop leaves may also help manage diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. Benefit 9. For respiratory health, these leaves can soothe coughs and colds, making breathing easier. Benefit 10. Last but not least, soursop leaves have antimicrobial properties that can fight bacteria and fungi, helping prevent infections. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how you can use soursop leaves. You can drink them as a tea, apply them as a poultice, or use extracts in various forms. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Have you ever tried soursop leaves? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.